Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and it's nothing crazy, not even a cool video. It's just been a week and a half, well, just maybe a week or so. And for those of you that were eagle eyes, this goes to show you also how just freaking little time I've had. That is still, I just noticed that again. So that is still loose. So we're gonna fix that right now. So where I've been lately is that townhome. That was the last video that I showed you guys, stating everything about it, telling you all it's just cosmetic and everything, and here's some clips of it now. Bringing stuff into the 80s, or bringing stuff from the 80s into the 2000s, or god dang, we're almost 2020, so almost 40 years later is quite a challenge. So the fridge that we got for the kitchen, any fridge, is just not gonna fit, because standard fridges now are 36 inches almost for like a residential fridge. We had to knock out a wall. The stove was originally built into the counter, and so those counters went. So all the lower kitchen cabinets eventually in the kitchen just had to go. And it stinks because it was actually like nice cabinets that were in the kitchen, and the plan was just to paint them white and call it a day. The vanities we were taking out of the bathrooms just to put, you know, some refreshed, updated vanities. We found mold behind the walls. It's just been one thing after another, and it's really taken up a lot of my time, and I apologize for that. I don't apologize for things like that, because YouTube is just a hobby, but it's helped so many people out, and so many people do enjoy these videos. Like I said, I thought it was just gonna be cosmetic and not that much, and we would be done with it, but we're putting flooring in upstairs now. Super nice vinyl, like gray wood looking flooring, new kitchen cabinets, brand new appliances and everything like that. And if you see my garage right now, that's probably one of the biggest challenges too, is the 4Runner has not been in the garage for almost 2 weeks. Oh, John, my 4Runner stays outside. That's perfectly fine, but I'm very meticulous about my things. And the garage is the 4Runner's home, and it's just littered with old stuff from the condo that I'm trying to sell, like tube TVs. I'm trying to sell some tube TVs, new TVs, kitchen stuff, everything for the condo. There's just a lot of stuff in the garage right now. The 4Runner has been a tow pig. My current MPG, or cruising range, has dropped drastically. Usually when I fill up the vehicle, it's about 405 to 412 cruising range when I fill it up. And every time I filled it up now, it has gone down to like 360, 370, which isn't crazy. I mean, I know there's some people that have a bunch of stuff on their 4Runners, and they say their cruising range is like 290, which is not good at all. So kind of alluding to that, John, where's the Tacoma? You know, you use a 4Runner to tow. Wouldn't a truck be better? Hell yeah, a truck would have been better to, you know, throw crap in the bed instead of using my 4Runner and stuff like that. However, we were not expecting to have this townhouse like this. Like I said in the previous video, we found the townhouse. It looked good. The price was great. Found it, closed on it like in under 20 days. So the thought then of having a Tacoma with a $500 a month payment, it is smart-ish because it's a new truck and it would do something decent for the channel. But again, there's so many great channels out there that I think are gonna provide you guys with better content for Tacomas, like those dudes that want to overland a Tacoma and not just make it an everyday guy's build. Like that's what mine would be. Just like my 4Runner is an everyday guy's build, you know, you buy a townhouse, you got a tow with it, so that's what my 4Runner is good for. I've been thinking, I do want a truck, and the new Tundra will be coming in a couple years or so, whenever they finally, you know, officially announce it. But I was thinking about a 3rd gen or a 1st gen Tundra, a 4-door with a 6-foot bed with the 4.7 liter V8, or just an older Tacoma. Again, that's still in my mind, is just an older Tacoma pre-runner, 2-wheel drive, you know, little extended cab. something like that would be very, very cool. But I just wanted to get on here on the camera, guys. I'm sorry it's just a stupid driving video. It's the only time I have right now, and I apologize. I just went to WinnDixie. You can't even see back there, but I just went to WinnDixie to get all the stuff needed for Thanksgiving. I'm gonna brine the turkey, then gonna smoke it on the pellet smoker. It should be really, really good. Got a bunch of beer and other goodies right now. If you guys are like in this Florida area, Yingling, a 24 pack was 17 bucks. So that's a steal right there. All about deals, guys. Guys, have a wonderful Thanksgiving, good holidays if you guys celebrate any of them like that, and I will catch you guys hopefully in the next video. We do have a submission for Fan Feature Friday. I plan to record that, so Fan Feature Friday should be going up. It's an older Fan Feature Friday, and he's done some of the updates to his Forerunner, so I will be posting that this Friday. Guys, take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. All right, bye.